hate you, so Jasmine can just make this video by herself.
No, you have to do it
Wait,
with
my
me.
hat.
Pam Bam.
It's broken.
Shut up.
Okay.
Pam Bam. I'm very upset with you because you didn't hang out with us today.
Yeah.
You called me and were like, can I hang out with you? And I wanted to hear about your day. And you didn't hang
You
out
ruined
with
her
us.
day for
You
her.
ruined my day. And I hope you know that breaks my heart.
Oh, and you were at a loss because Andy Shin gave us free ice cream.
Yeah. I don't know if we should be saying that.
Oh. It's okay.
But you missed out, Pam Bam.
Yeah. Oh, wait, look. Shirts.
Oh, yeah, we're matching.
Okay.
By
Bye.
accident. Bye, Pam. Have fun watching Beauty and the Beast.
Without us.
I hate you.
Bye.
Bye.
Forever.
Forever.
And ever.